I'm just going to show you quickly how easy it is to take your Red Rock citations and put them into a references page, getting your formatting right for APA. So I have my reference, just pick one, pick a resource that I want to use, and then I'm going to say, click on citation to grab the citation, go to APA, copy and paste, and then I'm going to take it over here and paste it. Notice I've already put these in alphabetical order. APA calls for all your references to be in APA order. Now I don't want this highlighting to be there, nor do I want different fonts. So I'm going to highlight them all and say clear formatting. And that gives me a blank canvas there. Now I need a hanging indent, so I'm going to highlight them all again, go to special, hanging, and then the last step, I want them all to be double spaced. So double, and I don't want anything after or before. Okay, there you go. References needs to be in bold and centered, and then all of it needs to be Times New Roman 12. And that's it.